So here's my setup. Here's the charger, hot wire on the right, running down into a conduit that goes underground, which I'll show in a second. Here's the ground, which goes into a like 5-foot rebar rod that's driven at least 4 feet into the ground, so the grounding should be okay. Plugging into an outdoor extension cord that right now, for the purpose of the test, is running into an outlet in my house. The conduit comes along buried under the mulch here and out right here, and you can see it pops out right there and loops into the first wire of the fence right here, which goes all the way around the garden, back over here, hits in the second pole here on the left, crosses over right here, back up to the second level of the first pole, back all the way around again the garden, comes right back down here, and you can see goes from the second level of the pole here up to the third level of the first pole, all the way back around again, and finally terminates right here on the second pole at the third rung, or the third level. So that's how the wiring is set up. There is nothing touching the bottom wire anywhere around the garden perimeter. There's really no shock. There's no shock at all on the fence. And back over here at the charger, when I plug in the power for the first time, if I touch the hot wire, I get myself a little bit of a jolt. But then the second time, it's like it shorts out and it's gone. So it's not working after that first one. And even after I plug it in, like unplug it and plug it in again, if I go touch the wires on the garden fence themselves, no shock at all. So something's shorting it out. This is, by the way, I'm standing on probably about 3 inches of wood mulch, so that could be acting as an insulator. That could be one issue right there. So that's how I have my fence set up as of right now, and it's not working.